It feels kind of like a fever dream sometimes that I get to hang out with you guys because when I return to my regular schmegular, then it feels like I'm very delusional, you know?
Then we recommend that you stop perceiving that you're returning to the regular schmegular. How is it that you take this with you and you change the reality that you are in rather than having the perception that you are returning? You are a conduit for transcendent understandings of life. How do you infuse that into your surroundings as a question? Be a creator in your surroundings, even more than you already have been, in ways that are non-linear. And you will start to experience, as you receive things like bicycles and other things that you had not expected. This is not a worthiness or worth conversation. This is about you spending a lot of time in acknowledging what is, and in acknowledging what is, which isn't even necessarily what is, but it is your perception of what is. And you're collecting evidence for what is in your regular life. You are getting more of a regular life. You are incredibly abundantly minded, very, very creative. It would serve you to do nonlinear things, to experience nonlinear manifestation on a more regular basis, meaning have conversations with complete strangers, appreciate people out loud, start to be vigilant for the miraculous. Not the miraculous is the normal, of course, but we're going to call it miraculous for now. Start putting yourself in nonlinear situations where you can experience nonlinear results. Have conversations with people you would never talk to. Sit beside people that you would normally never sit beside. Make phone calls to people that you think would never talk to you. Start to move the energy in the direction of the life you know you can have instead of using your precious mental attention to collect evidence for the everyday. Do you understand?
Very much. Thank you so much for this. There's a lot to digest.
You are very welcome. We are complete.